In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and change images on your Wix website. Let's dive right in with the Wix editor open on the page where you want to make the change. First, click directly on the image you want to update. When you select it, you'll see a small toolbar or settings panel appear next to the image. This is your quick access to all the controls you need. Next, choose Change Image. This opens the Wix Media Manager, which is your library of all the pictures, graphics, and assets available for your site. If the image you want is already in your library, you'll see it here. If not, we'll bring it in now. Click Upload Media. This tells Wix you want to add a new file from your computer or device. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your image lives and select the file you want to use. As you pick your image, keep quality in mind. A clear, high-resolution photo looks professional, but it's best to avoid unnecessarily large files that can slow your site down. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and square or landscape images usually fit most layouts more predictably. After selecting the file on your computer, click Upload Image. You'll see a progress indicator as Wix brings the image into your Media Manager. Once the upload completes, the image will appear in your library alongside your other assets. If you upload multiple versions or sizes, make sure you choose the one that best suits the space on your page to reduce cropping or distortion. Now, with your newly uploaded image visible in the Media Manager, click Choose Image. This confirms your selection and places it onto the canvas in place of the old one. Give it a second to render and you'll see the change right away. If your layout is designed with a specific shape or container, Wix will keep the proportions of that element so your design stays consistent. From here, take a quick look at how the image sits in your design. Check that important details aren't cut off and that the visual style matches the rest of the page. If your site uses consistent imagery like similar colors, lighting, or background styles, choosing images that align with that look will make your pages feel cohesive. That's it. You clicked the image, selected Change Image, uploaded your file through Upload Media, confirmed with Upload Image, and finalized it by hitting Choose Image. Save your work when you're happy and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy polishing your Wix site with fresh on-brand images.